members on the dais, Mr. Sridhar, and my colleague, Mr. Elkanah Ezekiel, and my colleagues from the head office, and friends. It's my pleasure to welcome you to this event. Let me give you a brief first on what Zydus Cadila is, and then something on sugar-free, something on the CSR activities which we take care of, and finally something about this concept of this event. Zydus, as Tiska mentioned, is India's fourth largest pharmaceutical company. We have a turnover of around 8,000 crores. We are a global healthcare pharmaceutical organization. We have our presence in many parts of the world, mainly the United States, Europe, Brazil, India, as well as many countries in the Africa and Middle East, as well as the Asia Pacific. Zydus is a 62-year-old organization, and our primary focus is on medicine and healthcare. Coming to sugar-free, incidentally, this is the silver jubilee of sugar-free. It is the 25th year. We launched this product somewhere at the end of 1988. Sugar-free is a tabletop sweetener, but important product for many.
Nayak, that was wonderfully explained, the association between sugar-free and Akshaya. I'd now like to introduce and call on to speak Mr. Sridhar Venkat, CEO of Akshaya Foundation. Mr. Sridhar did his bachelor's in electrical engineering and master's in marketing management. He is a graduate of the advanced management program from the Wharton Business School, University of Pennsylvania. His search for existential purpose or a higher purpose in life made him quit a flying corporate career, and he joined Akshaya Foundation, a not-for-profit organization with a vision that no child in India shall be deprived of education because of hunger. We applaud you.
Actually, I was backstage and watching all the goodness that Akshaya has brought into lives of millions of people for so long now. And I feel humbled and very lucky as well that I'm part of a stage where there's such a big initiative which is being announced today. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि खाना जो है, it's something which not only is required, लेकिन उसमें, because with the brand sugar-free I've been associated for so many years, खाने की बात brand में जब हो, जब sugar जैसी मिठास brand के अंदर हो, there would be things like normal brands. This is what you do. There's an ad. This is what we do. Go and do your part and leave. But very early I realized that I became part of this family, and I realized the intent of the brand is to not only look at business but do many things which are beyond business. So while this may be a very large initiative today, but over the years what I have seen with the brand are activities which in some part have been changing health of this country slowly but steadily, and this today I think in some sense is path breaking, क्योंकि हमारे देश में अगर हम देखें तो खाना कहीं अति होती है और कहीं कमी होती है, कहीं इतना होता है कि जिसका कुछ अंदाजा नहीं है, कहीं कुछ नहीं होता. बट आई थिंक नेचर, दुनिया में एक जो लॉ है, लॉ ऑफ इक्वालिटी, इक्विलिब्रियम, समानता जो है, that is something which is brought in by nature. If some place is very hot, अपने आप थोड़ी देर में ठंडी हो जाती है. यहाँ AC चल रहा है, बाहर गर्म है, दरवाजा खोल दीजिए, टेम्परेचर सेम हो जाएगा. That is something which is law of equality or equilibrium which happens. And I think ये it is inborn into us humans where we all believe कि हम जब भी कुछ ऐसा करते हैं जहां पर हमें लगता है कुछ अति है, तो हमें कहीं ना कहीं से there is some reason or some excuse where we are able to find a way or put some correction to it. So खाने के साथ भी ऐसा ही होता है. So I remember when I first joined hotel, so I was chef in a large hotel I used to work, and there used to be a lot of food which we used to cook. And hotel में मतलब खाना it became such an intrinsic part of us कि हमें
more about health and fitness than he does even about his own stardom. The most genuine face of Sugar Free. Please join your hands together and create a roar for Mr. Akshay Kumar.